Hey guys, sit back and watch me make my creamy apricot liquid gold hair grease. Guys, so you already know I have to start off with the medicated formula, sulfur 8. You guys already know. You guys know how much I love sulfur 8. Of course, it's a star player. Like, honestly, I cannot make liquid gold hair grease without sulfur 8. So we're just going to go ahead and add that into the mix. Now, of course, I'm going to grab my Do Grow triple. Okay, let me just adjust my spoon. All right, I'm back. I'm going to grab my Do Grow Hair Vitalizer triple strength. I know. Ooh, it still looks good. Okay, that's not the point. The point is, I know there's other Do Grow hair grease, but my favorite, of course, is a triple strength, so that's what I'm going to use. Now, this apricot butter, guys, let me tell you guys, of course, it's a hot mess, but look how creamy it is. I love it. I love it. The benefits of apricot will be listed down below. You already know I got to use my wild growth hair oil. Cannot make my liquid gold hair grease without it. You already know. And of course, my virgin hair fertilizer. Child, let me tell y'all, I cannot make it without this. You guys already know that virgin hair fertilizer, guys. That's actually that's it. That is the key factor into it. But you know what? Let's just keep watching. My next thing, Emu Oil. This is why I call it the creamy apricot hair grease, because let me tell y'all about Emu Oil. Emu Oil is actually, it awakens your hair follicles, and not only that, it improves hair growth. So no other, I'm going to use the essential oil of tea tree. Just going to add a capful because tea tree oil is super potent and I don't want people to walk around stink. You know what? I actually just add a little splash of I had a splash of vitamin E. Guys, don't come for me. I love vitamin E. I'm actually going to just mix this all together by hand. I'm going to speed it up just a little bit because I don't want to make this video too long. But let me tell you guys, I'm listening to you all and I know how you all love it when I hand mix, but I'm going to grab my hand mixer anyway. But I just want to show you guys the reason why I call it liquid gold is because look at that. Just look at that. Okay, I want to go back really quick, guys, and explain to you why I chose the apricot butter. It's simply because apricot butter, number one, it's rich in omega-3, which is a fatty acid, and it also provides protection and moisturize your scalp. And plus, it decreases inflammation, which can lead to scalp issues. So, yeah, we're going to need some of that apricot butter, okay? So I just add that in there. And, guys, I'm telling you guys, you gotta try this. You gotta try it. And of course, I had the nerve to add emu oil to it. And if you have not know or don't know about emu oil, don't worry, I got you. The information will be listed down below in the description box. But guys, take a look at this. Look at it. Just look at the creaminess. Look at the liquidiness. You know what? Do yourself a favor. Go ahead and head over to my Etsy shop, which is listed down below as well, and go ahead and purchase it, because this creamy apricot, guys, is the best. I'm telling y'all, I got y'all. We are going to be growing our hair. Our hair is going to be down our backs this summer. We're not going to need no bundles, baby. Anyway, thank you all for watching. Bye.